Greetings, this is Dr. Costa, oral and maxillofacial surgeon, and I will be presenting a lecture on implant site optimization using osseodensification at the upcoming Dentofacial DFCIC conference in Dubai on the 8th and 9th November 2019. In this clinically based lecture, I will be presenting the use of a new revolutionary drilling technology called osseodensification, whereby instead of drilling clockwise and removing bone, we drill counterclockwise, in other words in reverse, with special osseodensification drills, thereby creating a hydrodynamic compression wave and moving the bone laterally and apically. This results in, number one, increased bone density and increased primary implant stability. Number two, ridge expansion. And last but not least, subcrestal sinus lifting. Looking forward to seeing you at the DFCIC conference in Dubai on the 8th and 9th November 2019.